Hello, my name is Caljalon Smith. It's my abnormal psychology summary presentation. Point one consisted of anxiety and mood disorders. Uh, Approaching point one of the year, I kind of already knew about anxiety and mood disorders because I kind of deal with anxiety myself. I already knew anxiety included excessive worry and panic attacks, and mood disorder can cause depression because I done had anxiety attacks, previously anxiety attacks, to where I was worrying too much and it led to a panic attack. With these, I already assume anxiety disorders led to panic attacks, and I figured mood disorder was mood swings. And as I learned about it more and more, I was right in ways. And with learning in depth about the anxiety and mood disorders, it kind of keep me up to part with like previous like situations, me having anxiety and mood disorders or anxiety attacks. And with the information I learned throughout the course or throughout prompt one about anxiety and mood disorder, I can teach others what I learned or help them in ways that they need to be helped. And prompt two, psychotic and personality disorders. Psychotic disorders are conditions that cause people to lose touch with reality. And personality disorders cause difficulties with relationships and behavior. I didn't fully know what psychotic disorders were, but personality disorders, that kind of was common sense because basically like it went off a personality. My own perception of psychotic disorder was emotions and behavior, and personality disorder was emotions. With these disorders, I can help myself and others, such as relationship problems, because and nowadays a lot of people have relationship problems. And I feel with me knowing the knowledge from just research on these disorders, I can help them in ways that they need to be helped. Prompt three, substance use and eating disorders. Substance use can lead to mental health problems, while eating disorders may cause you to go to therapy and take medication. My perception about substance abuse was addiction, and my perception about eating disorders was eating too much. Well, why? As I researched more about the two disorders, I was right about them in a way because eating too much or eating disorders is eating too much, and reading along after doing research, I also was informed that people could go to therapy and take medications for eating too much. And substance use, substance abuse, I didn't know it caused, I knew it caused health problems. And with these, from learning about these, I said it can help me become not addicted to either one, eating or substance use. And I can also, with the knowledge I done learned, I can also help others in a way if they struggling. And to conclude my presentation, overall, learning about the different disorders made me look at a lot of things different because it's so much that comes with them. If I ever was diagnosed with any disorder, I would have an idea on how to approach it or know what to do. Believe it or not, it's a lot of people in the world that are struggling with different disorders and don't know what to do or don't know who to look to. And with the knowledge I done learned throughout this course, it give me a head of like understanding the different disorders. And if I ever encounter somebody with one of these disorders I done learned throughout the course. With the knowledge I learned, I'm hoping I can help them in any kind of way given.